Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this video, we will solve some questions about pseudocodes and flowcharts. Question 1. What is the output for the following code? Assume that inputs are 4, 1, and 8. Start. A equals 4. So we define a variable A and put in it 4. Input X. X is 4. If A mod X, 4 mod 4 is 0. Yes, A mod X, اللي هي 4 mod 4 equals to 0, which is true. Then go to 6. Go to step 6. Print X. So we print X. Go to 3. Go to step 3. Input X. We take 1. So X now is 1. Four mod 1 equals to 0. Yes, go to 6, print X. Which is 1. Go to 3, input X. Now X is 8. 4 mod 8 equals to 0. 4 mod 8 عبارة عن 4. 4 mod 8 عبارة عن 4. When the first operand is less than the second operand, mod operations إنه عنا حكينا إنه the answer is the first operand. إذن 4 mod 8 is 4. So which is false. Go to 8, stop. So the answer is 4 and 1. Question 2. Assume that X equals to 8. Start. Sum equals to 0. Input X. X is 5, which is given in the question. And we put outputs. C equals to 1. So C is 1. If X mod C equals to 0, 5 mod 1 is 0, true. Then sum equals sum plus C. 0 plus 1 is 1. So the value of sum is 1. Sum equals sum plus C, 0 plus 1, which is 1, and we store it in the variable sum. Increment C by 1. Now C is 2. 2 is less than or equal to 5. Yes. Go to step 5. 5 mod 2 equals to 0. No. 5 mod 2 is 1. So false. Skip the if statement. Go to step 6, which is increment C by 1. Add 1 to C. 2 will become 3. 3 is less than or equal to 5. Yes. Go to step 5. 5 mod 3 equals to 0. No, 5 mod 3 is 2. So increment C by 1. C will be 4. 4 is less than or equal to 5. Yes, go to step 5. 5 mod 4 equals to 0. No, 5 mod 4 is 1. So skip step 5. Go to step 6. Increment C by 1. C now is 5. 5 less than or equal to 5. Yes, go to step 5. 5 mod 5 equals to 0. Yes, then sum equals sum plus C. 1 plus 5 is 6, and we store it in sum. 6. Step 6, increment C by 1, add 1 to C, which is now 6. 6 less than or equal to 5? No. So skip step 7 and go to step 8, which is print sum. So the output is 6. Then stop. Question 3. Assume the inputs are 12, 28, 6, 10, and 4. Start. Input n. So the value of n is 12. Output. Okay. Max equal n. Max equals to 12. C equals 1. C is 1. Input n another time. Input n. First, we took the 12 now. We will take 28. So input n is 28. Okay. 28 is greater than 12. True. So max equals to n. C equals C plus 1. If 2 less than 5, yes, 2 less than 5, then go to step 5, which is input n. Now n is 6. Six is greater than 28. No. Skip step 6, go to step 7. C equals C plus 1. Now C is 3. 3 is less than 5. Yes, go to step 5. Input n. We take 10. So n is 10 now. Okay. 10 is greater than 28. No. Skip step 6, go to step 7. C equals C plus 1. Now C is 4. 4 less than 5. Yes, go to step 5. Input n, which is 4. 4 is greater than 28. No, skip step 6, go to step 7. C equals C plus 1. Now C is 5. 5 is less than 5. No, skip step 8, go to step 9. Print max. So max is 28. 8, which is the maximum number among the inputs. Now, in this selection flowchart, we will find the output first, then convert it to the equivalent pseudocode. Start, x equals to 8, x is 8, y equals to 12, y is 12, and output. X plus y, 8 plus 12 is 20. 20 is greater than 10, yes. Y equals y minus 10. Decrement y by 10. So 12 minus 10 is 2. Print xy. Print 8, 2. X minus y does not equal to 2. X minus y, 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 does not equal to 2, yes, so print test. So the answer, go to stop, the answer is 8, 2, test. Now the equivalent pseudocode for this flowchart is step 1, start. X equals to 8, y equals to 12. Step 3, if x plus y is greater than 10, then okay. Okay. If x plus y is greater than 10, when it is yes, y equals y minus 1, minus 10, then print x, y, then go to f. Okay. When it is false or no, add 2 to x, x equals 2, x plus 2, then it will go to f. Now, after deleting the common steps between the yes and the no, f with f, we still need else because we have one statement under the no, x equals x plus 2. So, y, then y equals y minus 10, comma, print xy, else x equals x plus 2. The next step is step 4, f minus 2 x minus y does not equal to 2. Then another time, we write down in a yes. When it is yes, the second if, it will print test, and then go to stop. When it is no, it goes to stop directly. So after deleting the common steps between yes and no, stop. With stop, we do not need else because no is empty. So then print test. Step 5. After print test, it will go to stop. Okay. This is the equivalent pseudocode for the following flowchart. Now in this looping flowchart, we will find the output and convert it to the equivalent pseudocode. This flowchart is looping flowchart because we have the diamond plus the go-to arrow اللي هو راجع للخلف اللي هو backward arrow. Okay. Y equals to 3, E equals to 0, output C equals C plus Y. 0 plus 3 is 3. And we will store it in C. So 3. Y equals Y plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 is less than or equal to 8. Yes. C equals C plus Y. 5 plus 3 is 8. Y equals Y plus 2. Y now is 7. 7 is less than or equal to 8. Yes. C equals C plus Y. 7 plus 8 is 15. So C now is 15. Y equals Y plus 2. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 is less than or equal to 8. No. Print C. So we will print 15, then go to stop. So the output is 15. Okay. Now to convert this flowchart, right now start. Step 2, Y equals to 3, C equals to 0, 3, C equals C plus Y, or Y equals Y plus 2, step 5, if Y is less than or equal to 8, then now this if statement, it is yes, it goes to step C equals C plus Y, goes to step 3. So go to 3. When it is no, print C, then stop. As you see, there is no common steps between yes and no. In this case, in looping, we recommend not to use X, not to use else. Then we prefer not to use else. Then go to step 3. Okay, and the statements under no will be the statements following step 5, which is print C and stop. The last example. In this looping flowchart, find the output and convert it to the equivalent pseudocode. X equals 5, J equals to 1. Print C, print X, sorry, print X, X is 5, so we print 5. J equals J plus 1, add 1 to J, so now J is 2. 2 is less than or equal to 5, yes. Print X, X is 5. J equals J plus 1, now J is 3. 3 is less than or equal to 5, yes. Print C, print X, which is also 5. J equals J plus 1, add 1 to J, 4. 4 is less than or equal to 5, yes. Print X, 5. J equals J plus 1, now J is 5. 5 is less than or equal to 5, yes. Print X, another 5. J equals J plus 1, now J is 6. 6 is less than or equal to 5, no. X equals X minus 1, now X is 4. Print X, then stop. The pseudocode start, X equals to 5, comma, J equals to 1, print X, J equals J plus 1, 5 if J less than or equal to X, then now the F1 it is yes, it goes to go to step print X اللي go to step 3, and when it is no, X equals X minus 1, print X, and as you see, there is no common steps between yes and no, and we have statements under no, يعني when the condition is false, so we need else. We do not need else in this case, because in the looping flowcharts, do not use else. In our course, in the looping flowcharts, and all the examples in the looping do not use else. Then go to 3, step 6, x equals x minus 1. Step 7, print x. Step 8 is a stop. Okay. In step 6, we can write decrement x by 1 instead of x equals x minus 1. Here we can write increment j by 1 instead of j equals j plus 1. Both are the same. Do not forget, in the looping flowcharts, in our course, especially in our course, we do not use else in the F. We put the correct اللي هي the statements after yes اللي هم when the condition is true we put the statements after then, and the statements when the condition is false will be the steps following the if statement. This is only in the looping flowcharts. In the selection flowchart, like this example, if we have any statement under no, we put else. If we don't have any statement under no, we do not need else. Okay? In the first if statement, we use else because we have x equals plus 2 when the condition is false. In the second statement, we do not use else because we don't have any statements for the condition, يعني when the condition is false, for the no. Thank you. يعطيكم ألف عافية وإن شاء